here. So this was a little creative, like a mini creative pack. So cute. It's got unicorns and rainbows and, oh, it's way too pretty. So I'll have a look at that one in a minute. Let's see what else we've got here. So that's from every day. Let's have a quick look. Open this one as well. There's nothing else in the envelope. Nope, all good. Okay, let's open this up and see what we've got. Oh, it's pink. It's new. I haven't seen one with a pink background before. Very pretty. So this is Rachel's card. Okay, so we've got some pretty samples, and these are part of the new releases that came out. And these, I believe, fit really beautifully in Hobonichi weeks as well, which is something I use. And some to-dos, like those. And these are, oh look, these are slightly thinner. Let's have a look at the difference. Yeah, slightly thinner. Okay, shall we see how, do I have a ruler? I think I do, hold on. Let's have a quick look and see how long these are, just in case you're wondering if they will fit in your planner, because these are samples, but you can get a whole sheet of these stickers. So you're looking at just over 8 centimeters. Yeah. Okay, now this is part of, I've got this really cute Unicorn Dreams kit. Oh, it's so pretty. This is my order. Let's get some, oh, the colours are just so pretty. I love the bluey teal, greeny teal. And a little star checklist. And some banners up the top, very cute. Okay, so we'll put these ones aside just for a second. And let's have a look at what came with that. So we got some, like some acetate or vellum. Let's have a look. It's really pretty. Okay, oops, another little. So we've got lots of really cute little die cuts. So you have unicorn, little unicorns, and raindrops and clouds and stars, and a little banner. Is this like a flower? Cupcake. Some more unicorns. Oh, so pretty. Another one of those. There's some pretty flowers. Another star. Some clouds. And rainbow. Or slightly larger. Cloud and rain, more flowers, castle. Oh, look at that, so pretty. What else have we got here? We've got, oh, this is pretty, look at that one. Little butterflies. And let's just move this over a bit so you can see. Really cute little raindrops. Oops, probably should go that way. Pretty, pretty. And some unicorn. And some more stars. And another flower. That's really cute. Okay, and we have a couple of cards. They're just plain on the back. Got this cute one with unicorn and floral and little banner. So they're like a nice size as well to put in your planner. And the castle. Okay, so that is the cute unicorn's dream. So this was from Throwback Thursday. So once a month Rachel does a poll in her Facebook group, and she'll have a look at some older collections, and she'll do a poll to see which one is the most popular, and then she'll re-release it. So it gives you an opportunity to try out some old favorites. So this one I hadn't seen before, so I was really happy to have an opportunity to have a play with it. So as you can see, so pretty. Okay, so now let's see what else we got. So this part is my CTP pack. So the ones that Rachel sent me to use in my planner this month. So I've got some great track lists. So these ones, they're like little to-do lists with three little stars, and each one in a lovely variety of colours. And then we have some longer ones. So again, these will work really nicely in my Hobonichi weeks. Yeah, I love the stripy washi strip down the side. So all of Rachel's sticker sheets, as you'll see, have this washi strip that you can make use of. Oh wow, look at this one. Like this one, love my labels. So again, lots of lovely colours to use. Oh, this is pretty. So this is like got a bit of a scallop edge to it. Very pretty. And some cameras. So this is really good when I'm posting or putting some pictures up on Instagram or something like that. I can pop one of these in my weekly spread. Ooh, and then we have Paradise Dreamed. So this is a really lovely spring summery collection. Very tropical with some sea elements, which are really lovely, and butterflies. Oh, and I like these, look at these. Very pretty. And some palm trees, some coconuts. And really pretty. And look at the washi strip. How pretty is that? Okay, and ooh, and then we have some. So that was the deco sheet, and this one is like your full and half boxes. So usually it will tell you up in the top corner here what it is. Okay, and then we got some She Dreamed of Paradise. So pretty. I really like this one. It's really lovely. And then some half boxes down the bottom. It's really pretty. I really love this washi. I think I might have to get a whole sheet of washi strips because I'm a bit of a washi fan. Oh, lovely. Okay, so they were all of beautiful stickers that I got this month. A really lovely selection, lots of different ones to choose from. Lots of different colours. And of course we have the very, oh, I didn't show the paper. Hold on, let's quickly have a look at, with the Unicorn Dreams, let's have a quick look at the paper that was included. So we have, so it looks like we have an acetate and a vellum. I'm just going to move these out of the way for just a second. So this is the, oh, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. So it's like got the, let me get the, there we go. It's got the unicorn and then beautiful clouds and rainbow. Really lovely. And then we have this really pretty vellum. So it's ever so slightly transparent. And it's really lovely with those colourful raindrops and the clouds. So just so very, very pretty. So just try not to get you that glare. That's so nice. There we go. Okay, so lovely selection. Lots of lovely colours. Brighten up your day. To brighten up every day. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy your sticker rating. Okay, bye for now.